Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, app updated and connection stable. Open Instagram and go to Settings. This avoids partial fixes that fail later. Once done, log out and restart your device to clear transient sessions, then log back in to test search behavior. If you're on Android, prepare to clear app cache or storage. On iPhone, prepare to reinstall. These initial steps speed diagnosis and prevent repeated work. Do them now so the deeper fixes will be accurate. Now you perform the core actions, clear cache or reinstall, because stored data often corrupts suggestions. Go to Search and Explore, tap the search bar, and remove individual recent searches. This forces a rebuild of suggestion data. Make sure to disconnect linked accounts and revoke third-party app access, since cross-account signals affect suggestions. If you use multiple profiles, repeat these steps for each. These measures reset the algorithmic inputs, so Instagram can generate fresh, relevant suggestions for you. Finish by verifying. Perform new searches and use a different account or private browser to compare results. This shows whether the issue is account-specific. If suggestions still look wrong, use Settings help report a problem. Include screenshots and steps so engineers can reproduce it. Make sure to wait about 24 hours after major resets. Instagram algorithms need time to reindex behavior. If nothing changes after reporting, repeat cache clear and provide follow-up details in the report to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.